The name of the father of the son. True when the world's body is called to eat my own. Which is when things don't go my way, and my timing is when they do. When nothing else matters, except faith in the goodness and miracles. Hope that lives in the and charity that always helps. And special love for the poor, the mark of the and Lord is study the house of your faith. Make courage for others. Good morning, class. Good morning, teacher. Today we're going to sing the ABC song and for those who will not. Ano guys, yung certificate na talaga. Why? And for those who will not, and for those who will not singing, will sing a short while.
Okay.
Including you, teacher?
Yes. Okay, let's sing. Today I'm going to discuss you about how can you read the letter A in two different sounds. The long sound A and the short sound A. I'm going to show you some pictures and you're going to, after you read this word, you're going to read the letters. Okay? Ha. Next. Next is say it and spell it. Okay? Monica, can you spell the
Bat.
B-A-T. Bat.
Wow, very good. Let's give him Ali Junisha clap. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good. Next is France. Can you read? Spell and read. No. Let's give him Mama Boy clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh, okay, that's it. And for your And for your assignment, you will look for the short sound E and for the long sound E. And 10 examples.
Grade 1.
That's all. Goodbye, guys.